Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you have been with me for a while. Today I have for you Loot Crate. Now, this is May's Loot Crate. So I'm sure you've heard me talk about Loot Crate before and how they can't get their shit together, and they still have not gotten their shit together. And my husband is afraid that if we get on there and cancel, we're not going to get our money back. So I told him that he needed to get on there, speak with customer service, get a refund for the boxes that we have paid for, because they don't have a problem taking our money out on the first of every month or whenever it is that they take the money out. But for some reason, this is May and we are into July. So again, I don't remember how much this box costs. It will go on the screen. And just a quick reminder, there is a giveaway, a current giveaway going on that will be linked down below. Also, I have a new outro if you guys have not noticed, and I won't say this for too many videos. Eventually, I'll just put the information down below, but my intro and my outro, they were both done by my husband. So his information is down below if you are a YouTuber and you are interested in that sort of a thing. That's where I got it from. So, Loot Crate. And this feels so light, like I'm almost afraid to open it. So I open it up and this is what I see. And I do know that it's supposed to come. Yep, there it is. Okay, so you get this and it tells you what is in the box. And May, there it is, May 2019 Nemesis is the theme, I guess. So what you get is, I don't know what this is. Due to a challenge for the throne and growing hostilities between land and sea, or, you know, just production issues, we're sorry to report that the Aquaman challenge coin originally planned for your showdown crate has been further delayed. It will arrive with your next Loot Crate, or be shipped separately if your subscription has expired. We know this isn't an ideal experience, and we sincerely thank you for your continued patience as we work to resolve this issue. I don't know. So, as I mentioned in the last Loot Crate, they also raised the prices of Loot Crate. So not only did they raise the prices of Loot Crate, they're not getting anybody's boxes to them on time. I think it's absolutely ridiculous. So the first thing I am pulling out here is Jaws, and it is a drain stopper. So that's kind of cute. It is a 3D drain stopper for your tub or your sink or whatever you would like to use it for. So that is kind of cute. The next thing I am pulling out is a Ghostbusters slimed figure. Okay, so this is the little standee that looks like green slime, and the little figurine here. He stands on it. He stands on it like that. And then we have Slimer. So that is cute. I don't know if this is supposed to connect. I don't see where it's supposed to connect anywhere. So I don't know. I guess maybe he just, I don't know. My husband can figure that out. So there is that. And then the next thing I am pulling out is a loot pin, Ghostbusters loot pin. So there is that. Oh wait, we have two loot pins. We have a Pac-Man loot pin too. And then the next thing we have here is, I'm assuming this has to go with Ghostbusters 2. I don't know, let me see, is this? This is not on here, so I don't know what this is, but maybe it goes with the Ghostbusters theme. I'm not sure. And then the last thing in here, I'm not going to take this out because my son collects comic books, and I don't know much about them, but I do know that sometimes people don't take them out of the packaging. So there is that. It is a Batman DC Arkham City. I don't see a number on it. It might be on the back, and there's just like a white board here on the back. So I don't know what number this is, but that is Loot Crate for the month of May here in July. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.